Play Pibaro, Ipidang Subhai Pi, Sakit Kami, Baki Kubor, Baman Kasmi.
Menteri Rangba ka Sorkar Jelau Conrad ke Sangma. Mentagasngi ka artrik jeleu arjar arpuai. Ulalet jengo iki bapang COVID khat khandai hatura civil hospital rengkat kijing sop PPE niki personal protection equipment. Conrad lopen pau bo umsngo nang show ban batai ya kijing IT jeng ginong tre ka koit ka khia. Khamtam bikila ban sha haba ki phong da ki PPE. Namar bo ula sngew yalade kum ban mi Tdem wala upong Tang Shiphang ru. Ulong baki nurse ki doktor bat ki batre ka koit ka khia. Hakan eka liang ki dei hok banyo eka jingero kabadan burong.
Here actually main. Here main. Just taking out this part. Demo. Negatif kerja dia. Ini kes besok kerja. Because already 10 days. Dapat ada kita nanti kontak. Sama ini tadi nanti. Mana kita dokter European. Nanti. Cuma grooming sih ya. Itu coba juga ada anda sebab kudu banamu. Apa snap jangan. Cuma makna kita kapai ini. Aku tak tunggu ibu. Kita pun ada. Oh, oksigen ini kamu. Jadi, kamu. Nah, babang kamu sekali. Sudah. Yang paling akhir, betul selalu apa? Harusnya apa? Oke, silakan. Patient. Rumah kami actually. Nah, apa sih namanya?
I just completed the round of the COVID wards and just come out of my PPE kit, and in this 15 minutes, 20 minutes when I was there, I managed to meet most of the patients and give them the assurance that we will do everything we can from our side, and the doctors are doing a lot. They're working very hard, and in this 20 minutes itself you can see how difficult it is, the kind of conditions where the doctors and nurses have to work under, and I did it only for 20 minutes and they do it every day. So it's something that we must all appreciate, and we must realize that we have to take care of ourselves, and if we don't take care of ourselves, then there's more pressure and more risks to the doctors. So therefore, once again, I request every citizen that follow the protocols and make sure that you're safe, so that we can be a part of this entire fight against COVID and reduce the stress on the doctors and on the medical fraternity. Thank you.